Alright, so here we are in what is opinion writing, and you just watched the opinion video by No Frills Teaching, which is a really good explanation of what opinion writing, what is it, okay? So as you're working, the directions for this template are very similar to the narrative writing template. And as you're working through this, I would like to remind you, anything that's dark green is free for you to pick and choose from, to type in, okay? If it's any other color than dark tree or forest or grass green, please do not mess with those text boxes, okay? Again, I have set several of these fields, that's where I type text, up in a very special way so that it kind of reduces some of the work that you have to do. You can type in anything that is dark green. Any other color, please don't type in it, okay? That's all I'll ask you for there. Now, how to work this template, if you're new to it, is if you notice anything that is a link, if you hover over the top of it with your mouse, then you can click on it. You can go back and click on those. The links are usually underlined, and if you hover over the top of them, for example, what is an opinion right here, that isn't. But if you notice that if it's in blue text usually, then, and it's underlined and it usually says video, then you're going to be able to click on it. Any of these you can click on and you can go and maneuver through there and go to that particular page if you need to. You can also use the tabs down here, but I'm going to have to say that those tabs probably are not going to be as easy to use. Using the menu bars on the side are probably going to be the easiest way for you to move around in this. Now, the dark forest green, if you notice right here, it says topic 1, 2, and 3. That dark forest green, that's what I'm talking about. Okay? Those are the fields or text boxes you can type in. If it's any other color, yellow, white, blue, let's go over here, light green right here, this light funny green, don't type in that. My topic, that's kind of a teal, don't type in there. There's that dark forest green, you can type there. Down here in this kind of peachy color, don't type there. You'll see something appear, but nothing other than these dark green places are for you to type in. Anything that's dark green, type, type, type. You can type there. Nothing else on this page. So anything that's dark green, you can type in there. I want you to type in there, okay? But if it's any other color, pink, purple, polka dotted, white, light gray, beige, vanilla colored, don't type in it. Please don't. Again, if you do, it's going to require me to do a whole bunch of work to try to fix what you did. So if it's green, it means go. Dark green. Dark forest green means go. Anything else, do not touch. No touch. Okay? So if you're looking back over here, the green, yep, I can type in this, 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 but nothing else. Please don't type in any other box other than those dark green boxes. And there's reasons. If you have concerns and you just don't understand, please come see me, and you and I can sit down and I can try to explain it a little bit further. But as you're working through this template, you will begin to see that text will magically appear in some of these other boxes, okay? So you don't have to do anything. You just have to do your work in on your other slides, and your work will appear in other places, is the best that I can say it. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know on how to use this. But again, if you hover, there should be a link that'll take you to wherever it is. Please don't mess with your links either. That'll just make your life so much harder. Please don't do that. It'll make me really, really crabby if you go in there and start messing with your links. It shows that you could possibly remove the link, edit the link, that sort of thing. Please do not do that. Don't do it. Okay, so you are going to be working on brainstorming your topic, and if you have any questions, let me know. But again, we're going to be working through all of these standards, so keep an eye out for these standards as we're working through these. Okay? I'll be walking around doing quick drive-bys, that sort of thing. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you catch me. I'll probably walk by your desk and ask you, do you have any questions? Doing good? That sort of thing. So, let's get going, because I want to see these opinions. I want to get these opinions out there, and I want to see what exactly your guys' thoughts are on the world. Alright, I'm excited to see your opinions. Let's do this.